Lisa, let's check in with you to see just how hot it's going to be. I'm stumbling on my words because how hot is it going to be?
It's going to be toasty. Not as hot as yesterday, but it would be so fun to watch your steps, wouldn't it be, if you were doing this? And like, ooh, I nailed a whole 2 weeks of steps within this walk. Take a look at our wake-up forecast. It is going to be warm. Yesterday, 93 degrees. It was a new record high. We blew past the record of 90, and today's going to be a little cooler. We'll get into the mid to upper 70s between 11 and 12. So on your wake-up forecast, 60s this morning, but 80s this afternoon. It'll be about a 20-25 degree warm-up. A little cooler today. Dry weather expected here through the weekend, and then more 90s likely in store here on Sunday. Sunday's going to be another warm one. Skies are for the most part pretty clear. You can see a little bit of cloud cover that rolled through the metro area here early this morning, so it's going to be a mix of sun and clouds. You can see it from this City Park camera. This morning. 58 downtown, 65 at the airport. Winds coming in out of the northwest at about 10 to 15 miles per hour. It's mild out there right now, but that wind shift ushering in some slightly cooler air. Weak cold front over the northeastern plains, and wind speeds there at about 15 to 25 miles per hour. Pretty start to our day, though. We'll again see some of that cloud cover early on. Skies will be mostly sunny, though, this afternoon. In fact, by about 11 o'clock, lots of sunshine. Extremely comfortable, mid to upper 70s through the lunch hour, 60s in the mountains by midday. Great weekend if you're heading up to the high country. If you are heading up there today, we've got a slight chance for an isolated storm or two in the mountains, mainly over the southern Front Range mountains. Drier weather closer to spots like Estes Park. And again, just a few building clouds this afternoon. Overnight tonight, we're under a clear sky, more 50s to low 60s in Denver early Saturday morning. And then we're back in the upper 80s by tomorrow afternoon. So we have another warm day, well above normal by a good 10 to about 12 degrees both Saturday and Sunday. Expected rainfall over the next 5 days, very little. We've got an isolated storm or two again here today over mainly the southern Front Range mountains, closer to the Springs west of there and west of Pueblo. Through the weekend, though, sunshine's going to dominate statewide into early next week. Similar situation. So expecting some really very warm fall weather for us for the weekend. 80s today, upper 80s, closer to 90 Saturday and Sunday. Brief little cool down early next week. We'll see some mid 80s on Monday and then 70s, Jason, Tuesday, which don't last long. 85 the very next day.